Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul, so stay tuned for all the new goodies. Now y'all already know, thankfully, my Strong and Soft is back. 2-ply, 300 sheets per roll, 4 rolls for $1.25. They go quickly at my branch, y'all, and it says 25% more sheets, so I definitely took advantage and I picked up 2. My paper towels, only 100 count. That's all they had for this particular shopping experience, but still nonetheless, and they are strong and absorbent, that I will say. 100 2-ply sheets for $1.25. My puffs, they haven't brought back my Scotties, but I'm going with my puffs. 96 sheets for 2-ply. Still waiting for that big count to come back, but don't know what's happened there. Now, moving on. This is all in their cleaning section, kitchen section. This is their cleaning section. They have Brillo pads, Brillo sponges and whatnot. They have not brought my 6 count, which I think is a little odd. I hope they're not phasing them out because they really do come in handy. 6 sponges for $1.25. I had to pick this because I was kind of running low. As you can see, there are 3 sponges, but still, it is a good brand, Brillo Basics. So I picked up a pack. Let's see, that's in their cleaning section. This is in their hardware section. Self-adhesive hooks. I don't recommend these for say you're putting up a picture frame or something like that. That can potentially rip off the paint, but I will say Bargain Bethany just had a hacks video that she just posted with really handy tips, and she uses these hooks. She uses a clear hook, but still nonetheless they're the same Dollar Tree hooks, so you can keep your garbage bag like steady as opposed to kind of moving around if the bag doesn't necessarily fill out your garbage pail all that great. This was a good she had a good hack idea, and I'll link the video down below, but she uses these hooks also to kind of keep order. She has used these safety security multi-purpose latches. They do come in handy, I will say, y'all. So if you want to keep things tidy and you definitely don't want anybody kind of fiddling around your private stuff, or even babies or people who are elderly, these come in handy. So I picked up 2, and this is in their beauty section and baby section. I picked up 2 packs. Now, the new stuff, well, not new. I had to pick up another pack of super glue. I was kind of running low. So they have this in their hardware sections, and I really do like their nozzle. It really is easy grip, and I do recommend them. These are compatible with Crazy Glue. I don't know what's happening to the sticky notes. They haven't really necessarily brought them, but they have Jot. So it's always a hit or miss with Jot. I'm going to give these a try. I believe they're not this huge. I hope not. But nonetheless, I picked up these, and it's 100 count, 100 sheets for $1.25. The new stuff, yes. Finally, they have brought the Closet Essentials Under the Bed Shoe Organizer. Bargain Bethany also has a number of hacks that involve this particular brand and how to best organize in your bedroom. I'm going to give it a try, and again, I will link that in the description box below. If you have shoes, or if you have any ornaments, or you just want to keep tidy, I picked up 2 packs. This is the essentials that I was waiting for. Also, these are cool. I'm going to give these a try as well. The underbed storage bag. So I'm going to give these a try as well. Picked up 2 since I already picked up 2, and they're all from the same section. Again, in their cleaning section, broom section, if you have it in your local branch. And I also picked up from their essentials line the bendable microfiber long duster. Let me give this a try as well, because they do really pick up a lot of dirt. I recommend their products, and if it gets too filthy, toss it, y'all. It's only $1.25. Alright, y'all, that is that for the haul. Now stay tuned for this. I'm going to do a very quick unboxing of my Target. This is Target, available at Target. No more, I'm going to say. I've gone back to my Target, and they are gone. This is by Dash Heart Mini-Waffle Maker. So let's see how this puppy looks like on the inside. We're opening it up, and look at that. Great choice. Good to know. Your maker. Really cute. Has all that information on the inside. This is how it kind of looks in the packaging still. Moving on. This is how it looks with no packaging. It has a nice kind of feel to it. Kind of iron cast, but not really. Hot surface by Dash. And look how pretty, y'all. And it gives you that little nice heart-shaped waffle. Really adorable. I'm sure the instructions will give me more information. And it comes with a power cord. That's the information. I'm so happy with this. I can't tell you. I wanted this last year for Valentine's Day, and they were gone when I went back. So they do go quickly. If you happen to find one, please snag it, because Target will, I'm telling you, once they're gone, and then you'll have to wait a year. I had to wait a year for this bad boy. So that is that. Now we have an official unboxing, like they say, and a little small mini Dollar Tree haul. So give us a like if you like what you see. Leave us a comment down below. Do any of these items speak to you? If you like them, let me know. If not, also let me know. If you'd like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, next haul and review, and maybe unboxing too, y'all. Alright, y'all, till next video. XOXO. Nerdy girl. Let me lift this up. Look how cutie. Nerdy girl.